Hello friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Gurude from Bulrana. I done my graduation in BCSE from Amravati University. Now today's date is 31 January 2020 and I am making this video second time. So today's topic is OOPS concepts in Java. So we know that Java is the object-oriented programming language and Java supports some concepts. Object-oriented programming language is the most important concept of Java. So what is the OOPS? OOPS to deals with real-world entity, it is called as OOPS. So OOPS support the some concepts like that classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction and polymorphism. So now let's see one by one in detail. So first one is classes. So what is the classes? So classes is the blueprint, template. It is a logical entity and it is the collection of objects. Next one is objects. Object is the instance of class and it has a state and behaviors like the real, and it deals with real world entity. Examples: pen, pencil, keyboard. That is the example of objects. And in technically, suppose we create the class humans and that class have the objects man and woman. Next one is inheritance. Inheritance is the concept of to acquire the all properties of parent class as declared as in the child class. This is called as the inheritance. Next one is abstraction. Abstraction is the mechanism of hiding the implementation details. It is called as abstraction. Suppose let's see some examples. Suppose we text the message and send it. So we don't know how internally processing how it works. So this hiding the implementation detail and only show the functionality. This is called as abstraction. Next one is encapsulation. So the encapsulation is the mechanism of hiding the data. So encapsulation is the wrapper the data in a single unit. So let's see some examples. Suppose laptops. Laptops contains several types of functions in single units. Suppose laptops have a media player, camera, different types of application. It contains all functions in single units. Let's see some real world example of encapsulation. Medicine capsule. Medicine capsule contains several contents in one capsule. So that is called as encapsulation. Next one is polymorphism. The polymorphism is the Greek word and its simple meaning of poly means many and morph means form. So simple meaning of many form. Let's see some example of real world example of polymorphism. Suppose a person at the same time having a different characteristic and at the same time different situations, different behaviors. Suppose the person have student, husband, friends, customers. So at the same time the person characteristics in different situations, different behaviors. So that is called as polymorphism. So So let's see some all examples of OOPS concepts, and OOPS concept is the deals with real world entities, so that is called as OOPS. So thank you.